Okay, now we're here in Fort Santiago. We prefer to be here in the evening because it's too hot during daytime. Mike, we're going there. I'll take a picture of you three. The three of you. Why? You want on that... You want a better view, ah. Facing that way because that's the wall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Kayo.
We have a lot of picture here already.
How about here?
I'll take a picture of you, te.
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome to my vlog.
Why don't you want to join, te?
Ate, sama ka doon.
I think you should join.
Come on.
He doesn't want. Oh. Together with the City Hall.
Ah, that's a style.
Okay. Yeah.
Stolen shot.
Naka-video naman kayo, hindi naman yung picture ah.
But I'm
That's
also taking a
timing.
picture aside from the video.
Ay,
Yeah.
How about
te,
here?
I think this is the building of te. Over there.
Huh?
Yeah.
Nanay,
Not I think,
What
for
about-
sure.
Dungeon.
That's the dungeon. This is the start, the museum.
Oh.
What?
Finally, you got something to upload.
Oh, there's two beds here. Yeah. I think. I'm not sure.
Na, yung pinaka-latest mong video, ano ba yun eh?
Wala.
Nasa park
Yan
kayo.
ba?
Ito.
Yeah.
Uy, holy water.
Oh my god.
Holy water.
I thought
What's
it's
holy
water.
Tatay, gusto niya holy water.
You may drink it
Holy water.
to cleanse you up.
Ala. Gusto ko ng tubig. Ayan ba yung museum? Hindi ba doon?
That one.
Hindi yan.
Yes.
Saan yan? Dadating. Dinaanan na natin yung mula yung laban. Wala yung laban. Scary. Ayun yung kanina. Ah, doon. Oh.
I think it's not allowed to take a video inside. It's
Doon
closed?
na,
Ano? It's closed?
Di ba doon talaga yung museum? Yung may aircon?
Saan?
Doon?
Di ba magpasok pa doon?
Hindi ba doon?
Di ba dito meron dito siya? O sarado. Maybe here, Kevin.
We'll check. What's in there?
He's a boogeyman.
What's in there?
Just a empty room.
The old.
You see that it is so innocent and then what's there? That sounds like what's there?
Did you ask? Huh? How come they do not know? The maintenance you asked. Kuya, saan yung may museum? Sa dulo?
Meron ba dati dito isa? Wala na po. Wala na yun. Dati meron.
Huwag kayo mag-video.
Okay.
Ano tama ako?
Oo, okay. Ikaw na magaling. You're right. Thank you. Dito na pala. Bakit dati doon tayo nagpunta?
Dito.
Okay.
Wala
Meron lang
vlog
yun.
doon.
Isang taon eh. Meron yung may mga kwarto po silisan.
Oo nga.
Oo.
Di ba doon?
Ano naman, bigay niyo yan, di ba?
Mukha giniba na.
Hindi po na yung kasi.
We'll get in. Yeah. We will go there.
Go there?
Go there. We're going there. Oh, look at you. Hi, Maria. Welcome to my vlog.
Oh! Kami lang na naman nagsisimula eh.
I'm a vlogger
Vlogger.
with 1 subscriber.
Ako.
Yung ano to, sila yung ano?
Makopa? Santol.
Mabolo.
Mabolo. Messi? Maybe it's Santol.
Hindi.
No, it's mabolo.
Mabolo.
Ang hirap lang, sira oh. Sayang.
Kala ko pa no? Kasi
Oh, you buy.
May ano, pag ano to.
mayroon naman dyan yung bilhin.
Okay, you buy one.
Pero, wala naman, meron dati doon siya eh. Kasi sila mga hindi na nakapasok dito.
Oo.
Yes, siya.
Nilipat na nga daw.
Pero nandun ako sa buko.
Nilipat na daw.
Ayan, oh, dati na yun.
Ayan, we'll take a picture. From the entrance.
Oh, take a picture.
Welcome to Ports and Shop.
Panda.
Ah.
TikTok.
Look. Oh, you got it.
Ay, tabi mo na kayo dyan.
You're in the
Lado.
You want solo?
so tiny.
Ah, pwede pa rin ganyan.
Ah.
Pwede nga, paano mo kami kaya?
Okay. Come on. Okay.
Naka-picture na kami
Ay,
ng
hindi
Lola Mar kasama sa bubong.
Kahit na, eh.
Ayaw ko mag-picture pag wala sa bubong.
Okay, I'll take a picture of you, look. Oh, dali na, go. Oh, 1, 2.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Dyan pala, ate. Ate, kakit muna tayo. Ang ganda ng picture na. Teka, dun muna. Tingnan mo na yun.
Yan yung papunta doon sa museum, sa loob. Yan yung daan yung may souvenir.
Kabisado?
Oo, dumiretso sa
I think this one is also good. Ay, it's already.
Sure kasi tatay. Hindi niya alam.
Ito, oh, dami na ito, oh.
Giniba? Giniba daw yung museum.
Ah, okay.
Oh,
Okay.
pagod na ako. Gusto ko na tubig eh.
Wala na, ate, doon.
Ha? Where?
Meron yata daan doon, di ba? Yeah, there's also a way. The truth and the life.
Nanay, palagay niya sa cellphone. Nanay, panyo.
There is. You get it from here.
Ayoko magdala.
You just get what you want. Hi! Ouch.
Kakagulat naman. Talaga.
Okay.
Nanay na.
Sayang mga mangga, oh.
Nga eh.
Palaglagan na.
So this is how it looks like in the evening. See? There. No entry? How did you know?
Yeah. It's written.
Ah, okay. You see yung visitor exit only. Ah, okay. So it's the exit only. Yeah. Mike is a fool. Which one? Ah, yeah. We always watch more of this video. Hi! Welcome to my vlog! No bashing! Just for fun! What? Why did they close it?
Bagay sa'yo mismo. I mean, ikaw.
They should have at least mentioned from the entrance that the museum already closed.
Hanggang 6 p.m. lang daw.
Ah, it's not written in the website that it's closed
Pwede po mag 7-Eleven.
later.
Painom na nga na hold mo ate.
To cleanse your body.
Diba
Yume! It's clean! Bumalik na lang kayo dito. Sa birthday ni... yung after ng feeding.
Oo.
So you can see the museum.
Next time.
Tingnan ko naman yung loob eh.
May tinda doon.
Yeah.
Ilan na kaya na steps na nilakad ba?
Ano ko hawak nga? The white cross.
You know they are military enthusiasts. Under siege is smarter. It's more expensive than this one. The narrative is very
Oh.
Wala nga sarado eh.
Oo, may iba.
Saan? Ganda sa araw. Para nakikita mo.
Ito, ayaw mo. Yan ah. Let's go to the dungeon.
Let's go down. You are entering our town. Please conduct the meeting within respect at all times. The dungeon of Fort Santiago.
Dungeons of Fort Santiago.
Let's go, sir. Going to Dungeon Tunnel. But the Dungeon Tunnel before, this is the Japanese prison before of the torture chamber massacre. From the Filipino side, this is the South.
I thought he's only joking.
Okay, sir, what's your age? But the Filipino side only.
Ate, you go.
Sorry ka din.
This is the Filipino before. But the original, let me say, the original Filipino name before of the Indio. From the Indio, this is the claim of the country of the Japanese, this is the going east of the torture chamber. Massacre of the Filipino, American, from the death of the dungeon tunnel from the Filipino or American inside, this is the mixed people. 300 Filipino, 300 American prison. From the Filipino inside, from the torture chamber of the massacre of the Japanese time. And this was that you see of the kill of the dungeon tunnel Japanese inside in the 1945. Of the baby,
Better you listen to him.
girl, and the torture,
Second World War.
baby kid.
They use this as
But the separate people of the prison of girl and baby and boy. And only way is the dungeon tunnel is only one boy prison inside. And Mr. Sir, that is a baby kid.
Sakto na ako. Ako din naman ang kinikilig. Ating look to pambos.
Look at the electric fan here.
Ayoko.
ang lamig, no?
Okay, I'll cut it for now. I may not be able to save this one. Okay, bye for now.